Friends, if you like my posts, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The link to subscribe is also in the description section of the video. That'll be a great way for you to stay tuned with all my updates. Thank you. Camelot, and we are seeing something amazing today. A swan family with its 7 little swans. Awesome. And we can see it so up close. That's the amazing part of it. My own strength. What can I do apart from you? Usually in the wild, there are about 3 to 4 cygnets for a swan. So this is rare that there are 7 cygnets for this swan family. Trumpeter swans were once considered as endangered species. It's amazing to see how they've made a comeback from near extinction. You can find trumpeter swans mostly near shallow lakes, ponds, or in swamp-like area. You can see this lake is pretty much dried up, and that's where the swans are resting. We've had a very hot summer this year, and poor swans, they don't have water. I'm guessing they need a little bit more water than this. We are at Camelot Lake and patiently waiting to see when this green heron would hunt its prey. So these guys have a green back, but most of the time it kind of looks grayish or bluish. Like you can see, it looks kind of gray over here, but it's actually green. It has a green back. So these little guys are one of the few birds who uses tools to catch fish. Just like us, it kind of throws a bait into the water to attract small fishes. Ooh, is it gonna get one? And it waits for the fishes to come up and get its bait. And it is a carnivorous bird, as you can expect. So back to the bait, it throws like small twigs, feathers, earthworms, or insects to attract fishes. These guys are mostly seen solitary, and it is kind of a shy bird. So I've been waiting to see this guy hunt for a fish and see how patiently it's been waiting here. These guys nest near an area where they can find enough food. Oh. Let's see. Open. Cat Swan. They lay about 2 to 4 eggs. The incubation period is about 21 to 25 days, and the little guys are ready to go on their own at about 30 days. Me and Gideon are here to this lake on our bikes, and Gideon is patiently waiting to look at this guy hunt. And the most awaited moment. Oh, it gets a tiny little fish and it munches on it right away. Happy moment! Yay, we saw the bird hunt. That is amazing. Well worth the wait. But we've seen something amazing. Our mission is accomplished, so getting back on our bike.